This video segment demonstrates several formal learning ideas possible in Second Life. The first area to which we teleport is a modular classroom and activity center located several hundred meters above AU Island. Many similar layers can be used to create additional space on the island. The modules can be reconfigured and expanded as needed. The following examples are meant to be illustrative only. In this node, an interactive 3D model of the Earth can be used to illustrate a wide variety of Earth science and geography concepts. This model of a caffeine molecule can be animated so that students can build one from individual components. There are a wide variety of other interactive activities that can be built in Second Life. Note cards can be attached for explanations, and practice and feedback can be designed for either individuals or group use. In-world debates can be structured around this type of interaction as well. This is a traditional classroom setting, more suitable for group learning. Screens like this can be controlled by learners or instructors and used to present slides, videos, or pictures, or to deliver lectures. Classroom discussions can be facilitated as well. You may have noticed the white dot above our tour guide's head. This indicates that the avatar is capable of voice communication with another similarly equipped avatar in-world. The last area in our floating learning module is the Freud Room. Learners can interact with a non-human avatar connected to a relational database. In this example, a Freud bot provides tailored feedback to our avatar's text input. You can spend a lot of time visiting with your favorite psychologist in Second Life, and the price is right. But there are many other non-traditional learning areas on the island. Why settle for the same old classroom in a virtual world? We've now teleported back to the surface of AU Island. This pirate ship can be used as a formal learning area if desired. You just have to watch out for the cannon. Or how about an underwater class amongst Greek ruins? You're not limited to one location for a class either. Individuals or groups of students can participate in a treasure hunt similar to a web quest to find information at various locations on the island. This could facilitate team building or even peer practice and feedback to prepare students for exams. Notice that the island is now in darkness. Time of day can be controlled by an administrator or visitor in Second Life. This structure was inspired by the actual Athabasca University Geophysical Observatory. It is located on the university grounds in Athabasca, Alberta, and dedicated to the study of the near-Earth environment. A lot of functionality can be added to the telescope and other parts of the structure. Students could find virtual constellations in a simulated night sky, for instance. Or they could be teleported to a space platform like this above AU Island to study the Sun through 360 degrees, our planetary system, or a variety of topics about the cosmos. They can even be transported to islands within Second Life where other educators may have developed appropriate interactive activities.
The Labyrinth is a proof of concept to demonstrate the feasibility of Second Life for virtual active learning experiences for reviewing key terms and concepts, perhaps in preparation for a midterm or final exam. This prototype was designed so that the course author needs little or no previous experience with Second Life in order to incorporate it into their course as an optional practice with feedback activity. As learners wander through the labyrinth, they come upon doors, walls, and objects that act as gates. These gates have different symbols on them that represent a specific subject. In this example, we see a key for psychology content. The avatar can go no further until he or she clicks on the symbol. A question appears which can be in multiple choice, true, false, or fill in the blank formats. If the learner chooses the correct answer, they are allowed to continue through the door, wall, or object gate. If they are incorrect, they need to try again by clicking the symbol again. The labyrinth supports social pedagogy, as partners could go through the labyrinth together, answering questions and trying to find their way to the center. To challenge themselves, learners could use a timer attachment for their avatar. If they make fewer incorrect answer selections, then they should be able to complete the labyrinth in less time over multiple attempts. There can be any number of question gates throughout the labyrinth, as well as any number of symbols on these gates to represent specific subjects. All that is required of the course author is submission of a document containing the questions and answers. The labyrinth is open any time of the day or night, but is currently in the prototype stage with only a few question gates to try. There are many more ideas for making the labyrinth an exciting experience, including trapdoors to a dungeon, secret rooms, hidden treasures, and shortcuts, all based on reviewing course content. The Mayan Temple shows another example of architectural ideas for active learning. For example, it could be part of an island quest or treasure hunt to visit different locations to collect information or complete activities. Interacting with objects in the 3D environment is one of the intriguing options that Second Life can offer to AU's distance education learners. In this example, we see the avatar interacting with levers to cause events to occur in the environment, such as the walls opening to allow passage to another section of the space. Any type of interactive object could be placed on the walls of the temple corridor for discovery learning, or the corridor could function as a display showcase for learners who want to share their creativity in 2D or 3D format. Upon exiting the temple, avatars find themselves in an open courtyard which could function as a group meeting space. The Boreal Forest area on the main level of the island was created to resemble the actual trails found around the Athabasca campus. Throughout the virtual forest trail, a visiting avatar will find stands with actual photos of the real-world plaques, identifying the flora and fauna along the Athabasca campus trails. While strolling in this serene environment, a visitor can hear the sounds of birds singing and may even catch a glimpse of animals that are often seen at the real-world campus, such as deer and fox. What a great place for distance learners to meet.